In English, prepositions are used before a noun or pronoun, like off the wall, before them, through it. But they can also be used as standalone adverbs, like I switched my phone off. I've told you before. A message came through. But in Gaelic, prepositions can only be used with a noun or a pronoun. And for the standalone examples, we need to use it, the third person masculine. Co-dhiù or phone is literally turn off it, your phones. Turn off your phones. I've told you before. Yinch miguth roye, literally before it. A message came through. Hanik vis tre, through it. In a few idioms though, the prepositional pronoun links up to the person in the sentence. Take off your coat is co-dhiù de háte, literally take off you, your coat. I'll take off my coat. Co-dhiù mi dhiam mo háte, off me dhiam. Co-dhiù mi dhiam mo háte.